Eric, please, listen to me. Listen to me. I don't know whatever you're doing, and I don't really understand what you're doing. Number one, I think whatever I'm doing with you, it seems before you do it, you don't make any stop that you're making to me for today. I don't listen to me. Listen to me and listen very quickly. Don't make transfer to me, because if you make any transfer to me, it's not going to work out for you. Because I need to rethink about the transaction I'm doing with you. For today, cancel that transfer. For today, don't make any transfer to me today. Don't make any transfer to the shipping company today. I'll call them right now. Cancel it for now. I'll give you further instruction on what to do. If I need you to do it, you do it. If not, you not do anything.
What do you mean?
Because if you do it, I'm not going to accept it. It's a pity. You are making me getting more annoyed. That I want to do what to you?
It says that you took the payment. I don't understand what's going on. I didn't send the payment.
Payment to who? How?
I don't know.
I don't trust it. Did you send money to Africa?
I don't think so. It says Los Angeles.
So then how do we come across to such a thing? And moreover, I don't know you are sending money to anybody. Did you write my name in the money you sent to somebody?
I don't think so.
So, and I would not even advise you to send money to me. I don't need you to send money to me. We have a different thing we are doing. So which kind of people are these? I told you I'm not comfortable. My IT manager told me they don't look real. I don't understand. You know, I don't play this kind of games. What kind of thing is this? I have something more tangible I'm handling, and I don't want to play this kind of game. I don't know that.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on, sir. I mean, obviously, I know you didn't take the money.
So what you do, opt out from these people. Forget it. If we are losing $600 and something dollars, now let it be. Block them off from your system. Block them off. Don't let them create any kind of situation. Let's find an avenue to solve our problem. That means they are not capable to do what they are doing. So you just block them off from the system. I don't want to be hearing all this kind of things. Send the mail to me. Have you sent the mail to me?
Yeah, I really have no idea. It looks to me
that
like
is the reason why, my friend. Listen, my brother. Let me tell you something. The only thing that will make that your so-called or whoever that loan or whoever it is, if it's real, whatever that will make him to bring my name into what you are saying now is because he saw my name in the contract I signed. I witnessed for you. That is why he got to know my name. That I mentioning my name to you. Why should he use me to be saying all those kind of not good. I'm not for that. I have something reasonable I want to do with you. Not all this kind of thing. What kind of thing is that? Well, I'm not happy to hear this thing at all.
Yeah, you're cutting out. Are you still there?
Don't be.
Yeah,
hold on. Let me talk to you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Now, number one, who is Dumpy? And number two, did you ever tell me you are sending money to anybody? Am I aware you are sending money to anybody? I'm not aware. I don't know you are sending money to anybody. And how will I go into computer it looks so suspicious. And that's why, like, I knew I wouldn't have signed that agreement. The weakness, because maybe that is where they got to see my name. And if these people are not, well, excuse me, finally, let me tell you. If these people, if they are really loan giving company, why are they writing all this? Is that how a corporate company is supposed to be writing a message? Look at the previous messages you forwarded to me. Look at such an appalling messages they sent to you. A goat, a mumu, a this, a that. Is that how a corporate company writes a mail? Do you really know these people you are talking to? Do you know who they are? Oh, no. I don't think these people, I don't think they are real, my brother. I don't think these people are real. Because you bringing me into a payment I don't know anything about, it looks so childish and so appalling. What do they think I'm doing with you? So what is? I think I will take my time. If we don't find solution to this, I'll cancel this project. I'm very sad. What is the meaning of this?
What is going? I don't.
What is it?
It's not my fault. What's going on?
I don't know. It's your fault. You know where you get your people from. I don't know where you got them from. You say you got them from the internet. Did you make any due diligence about them? Look at what they are saying. What is $625? Peanuts. Is that what I'm looking up to?
Look,
That's not what I'm looking up to, my brother.
I'll have to just come up with more money, I guess. I don't know. Should I get a hold of the police or what?
Don't give any money to anybody again, my brother. Stop that. Don't try to send any money to anybody because this is not right.
Well, because
this is not right. Listen now. I told my people to go into to check the real company that has this company name they are using. They gave to you. The real company is there in the US. They have website. They have everything. But this company they gave you don't have any website. Go to the mail, go to your internet and check that loan company. They have the real loan company somewhere in the US. And there is website, there is official, there is everybody. And these people, their numbers are not there, their names are not there.
Well, look,
that's what you don't go. You have to do due diligence before you do anything, my brother.
well, I should be getting.
I don't want you to lose money.
The loan should be coming through because I sent the payment.
Come again, you say what?
The loan should be coming through. I already sent the payment.
You send the payment to, but the payment they're telling you that who did you send the payment to? Don't tell me that again. Don't let me drop the phone on you. Don't tell me that. What do you mean by that?
Listen. That's what they are saying. That obviously I know that's not the case. But that's what.
How possible is that? You tell me, you yourself, you telling me that how possible is that? Who are those people?
I have no idea. I thought.
How possible is that? Do I know you sent money?
Yeah.
Do I know you sent money? And who is Don P? I don't know what all this kind of trashy talks they are saying.
I don't know who Don PP is. I have no idea. I've never heard that name before.
So what is the point? Even I'm telling you something. Listen to me. There is a genuine company in that name. I think some people are using a different means to use that company to defraud people, and that is what is happening to you now. Watch it out, my friend. So that means I cannot even trust this transaction I'm doing with you. I cannot trust the transaction because if I should leave out all what I have to you now, and this thing is happening and you are not taking care of it, that means you make me lose a lot. I will not.
Well,
I will not.
Look, I'll just have to come up with the 63 grand another way. I can get a loan from a legitimate company.
I'm telling you, stop the transfer today, Eric.
I already sent it.
You this morning, you are not picking the call.
You
already sent it.
Yes.
Listen to me, you're not sending anything. Nobody has received anything. Nobody should play game on you. That thing you are doing is nonsense and rubbish, Eric. Don't tell me you're making any transfer. If you have paid any money to somebody, don't tell me you have paid money to somebody to make a transfer again. I told you to be careful, but you're not listening to me.
What's the problem? What I already sent the money.
You don't send nothing. What money did you send? Is that how they make transfer? For me to be receiving call, am I supposed to receive call? Did I give you account? Is it my account? Then who are you making the transfer to, Eric?
I sent it to the shipping.
Did I give you an account to make a transfer? Listen to me. Don't tell what you're not supposed to tell me.
Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling?
With you. I'm annoyed. Don't tell me that. You are making transfer. I've been calling you since morning. Won't you take instruction from me before you do anything?
I sent the money
to you. This is the second time. How much did you pay before you make this transfer today? How much did you pay? Tell me.
62.
How much have you paid today before you made this transfer?
$62,896. That was the invoice amount. I did the bank transfer.
You make transfer to who? Eric.
To DSSC.
You have been scammed again. I'm telling you, and I'm annoyed with you. Don't tell me that. Where did you get the money? Is it the person that is calling me that gave you the money?
It was a
Who
loan.
gave you the money you're transferring?
I got the loan,
and
I got the loan through my bank.
Oh.
First Republic Bank.
Then why can't you transfer that from their bank? Is that your bank? Who is that talking to me? I'm annoyed.
It's my bank. I got the loan.
I'm highly disappointed.
Listen.
You have lost your money again. I'm disappointed in you.
What are you
telling me?
No. Listen to me. I got the bank. to give me a loan, and then I had the loan.
Okay, where is the
Listen,
payment
listen
slip?
to me.
Where is the payment? Where is the payment slip, Eric? Where is the payment slip?
He shredded it. The clerk here. You know what,
Did you what?
Mr. Ibuka? I don't know what's going on here. Can you talk to him? I don't know what's going on here.
Oh, this man is Jesus.
No, I sent the money to
Eric, you better stay where you are and make sure you confirm the money you have sent to giving the money, whoever you give the money to. Better stay there and make sure you know about it, because what you have done is wrong.
What?
I don't think you are doing anything good there.
What are you, sir? Why are you talking to me like this?
Okay, look at you. What are you telling me? Did I give you an account to make a transfer?
Yes.
The account that was given to you by the freight company.
Yes.
So what are you saying? Did you call them before you make a transfer? You took a loan.
I talked to them this morning.
Then what are you going to present to them? Because I called them now. They said they have not received any alert.
What do you mean they haven't received anything?
What do I mean? Why are you saying that?
Because
I'm telling you that I called them now. They said they have not received any alert, Eric.
You know what? I gotta go outside. I gotta go get.
Sometimes. You did this mistake first. You say you are going for a loan.
The guy no get sense. Just ask the guy for more money, but this 62,000.
If you know say you did somebody. So Eric, I have not confirmed any money. Eric, I have not confirmed any money.
Well, why did you say that then? Then why did you say that?
Eric, I have not confirmed any money. Neither has the freight company confirmed any money. You just spoke to them. They have not confirmed any money. I have not either confirmed any money. And that is it. I'm nothing but the truth. Okay, please. Check very well.
Wait a minute.
Give us the payment slip. Listen, Eric, give us the payment slip. Then we can know and confirm with the bank, with the freight company's bank. If they confirm it, then we know to confirm the money.
Okay, but he shredded it.
Confirm any money.
He shredded it. I don't.
Then why should he shred it? That's the point. Why should your own money you paid, somebody will get the payment slip and shred it? Does it make sense, Eric? And look at how you're talking like a baby. Why are you doing this?
Why are you insulting me, sir? What do you mean I talk like a baby?
I'm not insulting you. Listen, I will never insult you. What I'm saying, look at you want to make payment. But let me tell you one thing.
Yeah, but let me talk first, though. Let me explain.
Let me talk. Let me talk.
Okay, all right, fine. You can go first. You can go first.
Before anything, I have my transaction, not you. If I don't hear anything good from you from now till tomorrow, believe I'm not having any transaction to do with you.
No. Okay, now let me speak now.
No.
Listen.
Because already I called the freight company and they said no alert. If you send money, they will receive an alert. And if they don't receive an alert, that means you get the payment transfer slip, you send a copy to them, they will send it to their banker, and they will confirm. Now you said you sent money and they freed up the document for the payment transfer slip. Why? What kind of language is that? There is no money is deposited, my friend. I'm telling you, I just spoke to them now. They said all what you are saying, and the person they are talking to was even insulting them on the phone. I'm telling you nothing, but I don't know what you are saying. And who is that bank manager? And he said he's making transfer from Republic Bank. And you are telling me that you have your bank, which is First Bank. So what is the truth? Eric, let's stop this call.
Sir,
it's very sad.
Look,
because
listen.
I will cancel everything I'm doing with you.
Listen to me. I'm gonna hand the phone to Mr. Ibuka. He's gonna use his scanner to make. He's gonna make a new receipt. Here he is.
That bank manager is very insulting. I'm not talking to anybody. If you know you have sent the money, get the payment slip and send it. But if you tell you we cannot, my freight company cannot confirm anything that they have not received.
Kwesi!
And that will be very disheartening. Then what will you be waiting for? For my goods to come to you so that you lost it again? I'll never do that.
Calm your tits, Kwesi. Listen. Yeah, listen. When I get home, I'll use my scanner to send you a picture of the receipt.
Guys, don't send me any paper. I don't want any fucking paper from you, Eric. Don't send any fucking paper. Take the picture of that gentleman if you're really with a human being there. Take his picture of the bank manager so that you know that you're dealing with somebody. That's the only thing that can help you out. I think you gave money to somebody. Get that person known well. Take his picture and hold it.
For the loan, there was a few different fees incurred, but it was only like $1,500.
1,500. Are you talking of 1,500?
Yeah. That's right. 1,500. That's all it was.
When did you pay that?
I paid it today at the closing.
Yeah, well, that is the problem you have. You have been scammed.
Yeah.
If you allow you to do that,
I'm going to. That's what I'm going to do.
If that's what they're going to do, you better do that.
What is your problem, Kwesi? I don't understand why you're so upset.
I'm upset with you.
Why?
I don't think I have anything to do more with you. I'm upset because you don't listen to me. You don't listen to me, and you always do what you feel is okay for you. So, but it's okay. I don't have a problem. So, can't you complain? Come talk to somebody. Let me talk to any white woman there or any white man there. Let me talk to anybody apart from the person you are talking to. There is no bank in the entire universe of this world we are, either in America, in Ghana, in anywhere. No official bank operates with Gmail address. Any bank which is an authentic bank has to have a domain address.
Now you said
that's what I'm telling. Wait.
You said this wasn't. You said hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
You people, you have okay.
Hold on.
I'm hearing you.
Okay.
Before this listen to me.
Yeah. I'm here. What?
Listen.
Yeah. What question do you have?
This loan, wait. Before this loan was approved.
What?
The people you are talking to, who are they? Do you know them?
Yeah.
They're telling me you are with them. You know them. You better go and take your money from them. They have not paid any money. They fake you. It's a fake thing you are doing. I said that. Don't.
Well, I don't understand. I've known these people my whole life.
You will never understand. It's a pity you will never understand. You continue.
I just sent you the email that DSSC sent me. DS.
That's a complete 100% bogus. I don't need to be wasting too much of my energy talking on this issue. Between God and man, I'm telling you nothing but the truth. Yes! Piece of shit. Those guys you are dealing with are 101% scammers. Scammers. SCAMMERS.
Oh, scammers. I thought you were saying scanners.
Scammers, full stars.
Okay, alright. I wish you would have just said that. I thought you were talking about scanners, like for scanning documents.
No! No!
Okay, I understand now. So you're saying that the people that I was dealing with yesterday are scammers. They're con artists.
No money has been sent to Ghana to anybody. No money. You have been scammed again. This is the second time.
What do you mean I've been scammed?
You have been scammed.
What do you mean I've been scammed?
You have been scammed. Nobody is here. The freight company has got repeatedly time. And you have been scammed. You have speak to me. You are not working with fake people. You are working with a fake bank.
Well,
you never go and make a complaint about the money you are losing. And I will stop calling me. I will continue from this line. If you don't want to listen to me. I'm telling you that you can annoy me. You are talking. What kind of fucking bank has you got to pay 2,000, 1,500 without giving you any time? Then the payment slip you are supposed to get, you don't get it. They street away the payment slip. What kind of fucking bank is that? You don't go and pay for pay and retrieve your money. Where are you giving any money? You are not getting any loan. They have scammed you.
Can you
like you take it, if you don't like don't take it.
Sir, can you speak a little slower? I didn't understand a word of what you just said.
You will never understand. I think you're having some ear problem.
What are you talking about? What do you mean I've been scammed?
You will never understand anything. That's one thing I hate about you. I mean, I will block you off from this business if you don't be careful with me. What do you mean? You think you're playing with the kids?
What?
You let them to play with your brain. You don't want to listen to me.
Why are you yelling at me? Why are you so upset with me?
Eric, stop bullying. I'm telling you, you are just fooling there, Eric. Forget it.